Okay, tingnan natin mabuti. Naman is perfect. Sabihin, sa kanyang kalagayan, like, meron laging mapupuna at mapupuna. Meron at laging mapapansin at mapapansin. And most of those things are the things na kailangan improve. Kapag nakasama mo isang tao, mag-usap lang kayo for ilang oras, 7 weeks, meron ka na makikita, mapapansin ka na. Pag tinanong mo siya, meron ka na maisip. Ganyan tayo. Mahilig tayong pumuna ng mali sa kapwa. But, tama nga ba? Or mali na pinupunan natin yung mga tao sa paligid natin? Well, it depends. The main reason kaya kinukuha yung attention ng isang tao is for the sake of him improve those things, to help him see what he needs to do for him to be improved or for her to improve. But for the sake of not bringing him down or dragging him down, na dumarating sa punto na gusto mo na siyang siraan, we cross the line. Hindi masama na meron kang suggestions towards other people sa mga dapat nilang baguhin, because make sure when you do that, you establish really, really well the reason why you calling something, their attention towards something that you want them to change. And on the part natin of suggesting something, we need to be as centered as possible. Huwag natin isipin na magaling tayo or we're really good at something like that, but do not ever close the door or suggestions or for improvement. There always be the room for improvement. Minsan we are scared of the truth. Well, in fact, the truth and that really something help us, and that is really set us free. And most of the time, yung reaction